Welcome to today's modular classroom. Today we are going to see how we can create a professional data analysis table in Excel. So you're still using the Excel with the raw data and not able to analyze the data in a proper manner. So without using this boring Excel sheets without any analysis, this video will help you to show how to create a professional data analysis table in Excel using the formulas, formattings, pivot tables, and how you can create a professional dashboard for reports, projects, office work, or any kind of business analysis. So let's start. So a data analysis table helps us to organize, summarize, and analyze the data easily. Instead of looking at raw numbers, we can calculate the profit, we can compare the sales region wise or product wise or category wise, and we can find the trends and we can create the reports professionally. We can find the profit, the highest profit, and the area which is performing very well, and the product which is performing very well, and the product which is underperforming, or the area which is underperforming, etc. So this is the outline. How we are going to see what the introduction, what is this data analysis table, how we can take the raw data, we can convert the data into table, add formulas for analysis, apply the conditional formatting, and how to create pivot table, which is already discussed in the previous video, and how we can add charts for the visualization and final dashboard reports, etc. So this is a sample table, and we can able to calculate the total sales, total profit, sales by product, profit percentage, and the profit trend, etc. So let's explore how it's possible. So this is a sample Excel data. So if you want to convert into the proper manner, so you can enter any kind of data. You can take the data. Once if you take the data, this is the raw data. If you want to convert into table, you have to add the headers, proper headers, which is accessories, region, products, region, anything. You can add the headers. You can select the data plus Control T. So once it is added, you can find this as a structured table with filters. So this is the way to convert the raw data into a structured table in Excel, which is the first step. After converting this into a structured data or a formatted data using a tabulated format, this raw data is converted into meaningful data. We have with the proper headings. Next week, the third step is we have to enable with the proper headers. So here I have included product, region, sales, expense. So this is the actual data, and profit is which is being calculated using the formula, which is expense minus sales. So which is the profit, and this is the profit percentage, which is calculated again using the formula F4 by D4 into 100. So these are the sample analysis which is done with Excel. I have calculated for one table and I have tracked for all other tables, which is even separated by shown using the colors. And also we can use the filter options. Once a table is being added using the Control T, you can see the filter table is enabled. So with this option, you can see if you want to look into the region wise sales, I want to take only the East region sales. Once if it is selected, you can look into the East region. And if you want to take all other regions also, you can select all the options. If I want to look into the product, I want to have the detailed analysis of tablets or mobile phones alone, I can select only mobile option. So other options I can remove. Once if I can take only the sales of the mobile. So this filter option enables to pick out only certain requirements, and here also it is been filtered by color option is being given. So filter by color, the highest profit has been inserted. So he is given in the green color, and the highest profit is 15,000 is in white, and the medium profit is in other colors. So high, medium, and lowest profit. High, low and average profit is being differentiated by various colors. So this is the other way to have a proper analysis. And next is total entire profit is being given here, which is again calculated using the formula, which is F4 to F7, which is the entire profit of all the products and all the regions, which is 97,000, and total sales is 1,90,000, which is the sum of all this. This is again the formula D4 to D7. And we can also find this particular grammatical representation using the spark line. This is also be given. So this can be inserted using spark lines. So this is the spark lines which you can insert from the insert option. Insert lines, you can select the spark line options. In the lines, you can go for the spark line options. Create spark lines. So what is the data range for the spark and what is the location which is to be specified. And if you want to alter, since I have already specified, you can go to the spark line, you can edit group location or data, or you can edit the single spark line data. So here this data is F4 to F7. This you can find it has been selected. F4 to F7 has been selected. So 15,000, 12,000, 12,000, and you can find the greatest spike from 12 to 58,000, which is the profit of the accessories, which is very high. So this is the graph of the total profit, and also sales. So this is sales which is given in the range 50, 40, 30 and 70. So 30,000 is the lowest sales which is given in the red color, which is differentiated from by colors. And after calculating the profit and sales, we can come into the pivot table, which is already discussed in detail in previous video. If you want, I can also add the description, the link in the description. You can please check it out there. Here we have given the row labels, which is all by categories, and its corresponding sales also has been given as graph. And this is by sum of region-wise sales. This is product-wise sales, this is region-wise sales, and its graph is also being displayed. So if I want, I can select both laptop and mobile. So you can find only the two products have been listed and their sales is also been given, and their total sales of only laptop and mobile is 90,000. If I include all other accessories and tablet, I can find a change in the sum, which is 1,90,000, and the different variations, which product has been high gone for a high sale and which is low sales. So this can also be listed. And this is region-wise sales, and also from this graph I can see West region goes for a high sales, and the south region go for a low sales. If I want, I can also, the total expense is also being given. And we can also include slicers. This is the slicers. We can go for insert, slicer or timeline. Timeline will be enabled only if you have a date-wise data. So here I don't have any date-wise data, so timeline is not possible, but you can take slicers. So if you give east alone, east region expense will be given. North region expense, south region expense, west region expense can be given. So this is all about slicers. So we can include slicers, pivot tables, you can create dashboards, KPI cards, etc. So all kind of data visualization is possible with this Excel data analysis, which is being done by latest data analysis tools like Power BI, Tableau, etc. So the base of all data analysis is Excel, and with the Excel all kind of analysis is possible, even though many tools have been coming in this latest AI trend and scenarios. So keep on watching. We'll be updating with the next latest features in the upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.